Hey there, it's Agardus. Today I'm going to show you an awesome little hack to boost your System.io affiliate earnings automatically. Check this out. A custom animated System.io badge that floats on your side, and when someone hovers over it, boom! It reveals a drop-up menu linking to your affiliate ID. Setting this up is easier than you think. You just need to copy and paste one code snippet into your page settings. This one. And if you are on a paid plan, this must be checked. And you can paste that code inside edit header code or edit footer code. I pasted it in edit header code. So you have to simply scroll down and find this part with your affiliate ID. You go to your affiliate dashboard, copy this, and simply replace it with yours. And also you can replace your name. Save. Now whenever visitors see the badge, they will have instant access to all your affiliate links, free account, monthly plans, and discounted annual offers, without you lifting a finger. If you want full code template, I'll leave this one in description. And if you found this helpful, smash the like button and subscribe for more System.io hacks.